Laying low, no place to go.
Um, I I came to apologize. I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have said what I said to you yesterday. I'm sorry.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Talk with Persh. It's your girl, and on today's movie for the day, I bring you the movie Love Lies Bleeding. Now, where to watch the movie? You can watch it on Maurice TV, and this movie stars Maurice, Sophia Alakija, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. Now, this movie is one of those few Nigerian movies that you watch and you just have to sigh. Like you give a deep sigh, and that sigh that gives hmm, because this movie reminds you of how fleeting life is, how fast life can go. And this particular movie has three lessons from me basically. First, be nice to people because people are going through a lot, and a kind word can go a long way in somebody's life. Number two, be grateful and appreciative of what you have before you lose it. And number three, life is short and fleeting. Enjoy the moments you have with people because you might not have the opportunity with them again. This movie is very good because it basically teaches you about life. Now, this part of the this part is where I tell you please like, share, and subscribe. You really need to watch this movie. I'm sure at this point you already know I give you the good stuff. So I want to also say thank you to all those who have subscribed. Like the subscriptions have superseded my imagination. Thank you for so much for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing the videos. Please continue to do so, and please engage with these videos more. Please, I need more engagements. When you watch these movies, please tell me what you have learned, okay? This part is where I say thanks again once more for watching my videos, and bye. Mwah.